Today we're gonna be unboxing 4 plushies I got. So I'm not gonna show you where I live because you might come to my house. So I just don't want that to happen. Alright, first one is the loser one. Everyone thinks loser's famous. Alright then. The loser ID. Loser. Alright. Here is Loser! And he is one of the most favoriteest characters out of all. Wow. He is so soft. Okay? Next one is Lightning. Hold on, let me see. There's an ID in the front, so I'm not showing you guys. I'm just gonna unpack it in the back. Now here it is, Lightning, the cool guy. How does it have no color in the back? That's strange. Now these 2 characters are good. But when you unbox okay, for real, I'm not showing you that because you might come to my house. This is not my house. This is my dad's. I'm not showing you what it is. And this is Cloudy. Wow, he's soft and he's like a cloud. Last one, Fanny. Guys, this video is gonna take quick enough because I only have 4 and I already done the box them. Hold on, guys. I need to unbox it on the front, so I'm gonna unbox it in the back. I'm not trying to show you. I don't have anything covered, so I'm just gonna put it behind. Oh, this thing was hard, you know. Oh no. Oh, Fanny! Oh my god. So this is Fanny. Alright guys. If you guys like this video, I'm gonna have the next 4 BFDI plushies. So make sure you guys like and subscribe. Subscribe!